Thank you, Mr. Chairman. In the name of Allah, the Lord of Mercy, the Giver of Mercy and Praise, His Excellency Makhdoom Shah Mahmood Qureshi, Foreign Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, the Secretary General of the OIC, dear participants, I wish to express my thanks for the Islamic Republic of Pakistan for the lavish hospitality accorded to us. I wish them full success in the chairmanship of the current session. I wish to seize this opportunity to congratulate the Islamic Republic of Pakistan and its people for the 75th commemoration of the independence of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, and we wish them more prosperity and success. I wish to extend my thanks to the Republic of Niger for its chairmanship of the 48th session of the Council of Foreign Ministers in spite of COVID-19, and I congratulate them for the achievements made by the Islamic Republic of Pakistan in adopting a day to fight against Islamophobia. There are also more efforts made to achieve greater success in the Islamic Ummah. I wish to extend my thanks to the people working in the OIC Secretariat under the leadership of the Secretary General for the sound organization of this meeting. I congratulate them on the continued effort to achieve the noble goals of this organization. The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia believes in the role of the OIC in consolidating Islamic solidarity and in protecting common interests to preserve the noble, lofty values of Islam. This will lead to greater cooperation and understanding on the basis of mutual respect among all cultures and religions. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia has clear values in consolidating Islamic cooperation and brotherhood among member states with a view to enforcing coordination to face the common challenges. And there was the meeting on Afghanistan in December 2020, and this was a successful meeting which led to the establishment of the Humanitarian Trust Fund under the IDB. Khatib was appointed as a representative of this fund. The Kingdom reiterates the importance of the role of Islamic countries to achieve peace and security in Afghanistan. We call for further efforts to support the Afghan people so that they can overcome the tragic situation they have at the moment. We hope that Afghanis will participate in building the future of their country through dialogue among the various components of the Afghani societies, and to avoid using Afghani land as for terrorist activities. We also call for the respect of human rights and the rights of women to work and study on the basis of our values. Dear participants, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia reaffirms the centrality of the Palestinian cause. It supports all the international efforts at reviving the peace process among the conflicting parties and the return to direct negotiations to settle all the standing issues between the two parties. We reaffirm our support to the Palestinian people in order to achieve a lasting peaceful settlement of the Palestinian cause with the establishment of an independent Palestinian state and in line with international resolutions. Ladies and gentlemen, the continued escalation by the Houthi group reflects the rejection of political settlement. The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia calls for the implementation of the UN resolutions to neutralize the negative impact of Houthi groups and to stop importing arms in Yemen. This is a threat to the region. We reiterate the importance of the role of brothers to apply more pressure on the Houthis so that they can stop jeopardizing maritime security. On the basis of reducing the suffering of the Yemeni people, we contribute to humanitarian action and we provide humanitarian support to the Yemen people. The participants, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia stands by the Muslim communities to defend their values as sustained by our region. We also provide support to the people of Jammu Kashmir. We also support the efforts made by the international community to reach a just solution to the Jammu Kashmir issue. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is making steps to achieve its ambitious vision. We hope that this will be a model for the rest of the world. I would like to seize this opportunity to extend my thanks who have accepted to support the event in our country, and this will promote our values. We reiterate our support for the efforts made by this organization. We believe that this is the second international organization. It represents the third population of the world. We hope that this meeting will lead to success and will achieve more prosperity for our people. I thank you very much for your attention.